This is Ashton from the Super Trendy Moneymaker channel, and I want you to please like, comment, share, and subscribe, especially if you're new to this channel, because I'm about to give you a ton of value. Okay, this video is all about my latest update on my results, and I made about $739.33. And let me see if there are any more sales coming up if I refresh. As a matter of fact, let me just go to zoom in. I like to zoom in on this. Show you right here in this corner and go. Any changes? Nope, no changes yet. But every now and then it will show up. Yep, almost at $800. Can you believe that? And it's all from a solar ad traffic. And what I did is I used the email PPC, which is 35 cents per click. And in my opinion, that's the best way to go when you promote this. Other than just getting referrals or getting like 5 times the sale or so. You can always rely on this too. That's why I always refer to step 3 when it comes to Affiliate Profit Club. And it keeps on going. So you can make money online just for trying. Just like this, just trying, meaning that people just click. People always click. But when it comes to email submission, and when it comes to them making a purchase, it doesn't always happen. But the clicks always happen. And that's the best thing about this too. The clicks always happen. And that's where the trying comes from. Okay. So let me just get this back to 100. And I'm also getting clicks from my email bonus series as well. I call it the CPA marketing testing list. So I have this all covered up because these are the emails I sent. And look at all these click-through rates so far. It's coming in hot. And you know, people are liking what they're seeing. I know not every person is gonna click. Some people are gonna just stick to opening, but you know, it is what it is. And the wonderful thing about this too, that I get them to click is the fact that I'm giving them bonuses for every 5 emails they open and click. So they get like either a free course, email swipes, subject lines, and other surprises as well. Even if for them to stay active and keep on clicking no matter what point they are in the email, there's a chance to win for cash prizes or even a gift card. And I'm gonna be doing that pretty soon to somebody too. You know, I'll be starting a $25 cash giveaway, either through Cash App or PayPal to somebody here. So you know, to see that like how active this whole email bonus series is, and that's a great thing too. In addition to that too, is that some of these clicks, I'll put down the link with 35 cents per click, and I'm getting sales with that as well, which makes this whole thing awesome. And it's all thanks to this step 3. Even if you're a free member and you get 20% from your referral on anything that they purchase, even as a free member, the one thing you should purchase is always this. I'm going to mention this in every video. And like even if you only have like $40 to spend right now, I recommend the PPC pay per lead income streams. You get 3 awesome products for the price of $37 one time, not monthly fees whatsoever. And you can be making sales like this, literally. And also, what you want to do is go to the Facebook group as well. So as you go through the funnel. So I'm going to be going to the Facebook group and just show you what I'm talking about. Let me just. It's called AfroCent Super Affiliates. Here we go. You got about 4,000 people strong. And here's a creator of the product. Every now and then he has updates on traffic, on deals when it comes to this. So if you're doing Safeless, there was a deal that he having for like all year long. I mean, he said for the long run. See if it comes up. We'll try to find the post where it says it. Probably have to go under. New post. Maybe just that. Had it a couple days ago. I have to go search it. Here we go. This should be it. No, not it. Here we go. This is it. Sorry for the long wait. But yeah. Did this on July 4th. And it's unlimited traffic for 90 days. You pay this $100 one time. And it's perfect for PPC, CPA, opt-in funnels offer. And it's mostly Safeless traffic. So it's like they give you a mass amount of traffic completely done for you. And you basically can get like about between $1 to $2 to $3 a day from this type of stuff because between the 8 cents, the 1 cent to 8 cents per click when it comes to traffic exchanges and Safeless. But if you want to make more than that, you can promote the entire system or a CPA offer and get 5 times the sales. And this is a big one too. So I purchased the whole entire funnel and still only paid under $200. And you pay only $47 one time. And anybody can buy a $9 product and you get between $25 or $30. And that really happened to me multiple times. Not kidding at all. This is really game changing right here. And then the commissions that you see within the AfroCent marketplace, which is all CPA offers and everything, it stays there. And that's a cool thing about this. So that's about it. This is all about my video about my results. And it's ongoing. So without further ado, thanks for watching. If you like what you see and you have a megaton of value from this video and you want to see more videos like this in the future, to help the YouTube algorithm of this channel, I want you to please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the link down below to get access to the Affiliate Profit Club 3.0. So without further ado, thanks for watching this video.